So guys, it's another day and the strawberries are really growing big. Wow, see that? It's another day for our tomatoes. They're not yet out, but they're coming. Yeah, so paprika still growing. Our coriander, here we have the coriander. This is a tomato, but the rest are coriander. Tomatoes too. Guys, the corianders are growing really well, and here we also have some corianders. I also put one seed here of tomatoes. That's why you see this one. I'm gonna unpluck. How do you say unpluck? And I'm going to remove all these tomatoes here and plant them in a big container because they are now 3 of them or 4. And then the coriander, they're also doing a really good job. As you can see, the coriander, they're really growing well. And then here I just planted orange, and as you can see, there's something coming out here, so we're gonna give it some time. So guys, and then here we have I have my paprika. I just put too much water because it requires also too much water, but it's gonna be fine. Because if you don't add too much water, you see it's drying. That's why I just put too much water. And then we have our tomato. I have my tomatoes here. They are really growing. As you can see, the yellow parts. As you can see, the yellow parts are also here. Here, this part here. These are a good progress, guys. I love it. It's growing really fast, really fast, as you can see. And then here, as we come to an end, we have our strawberries, guys. See that? This is the best part of them all. I have my strawberries growing over here, and I'm so happy. You can't wait for them to be red so that we can eat them. Yeah? Yeah, so guys, that's it. So look at this, guys. Look at it. This is a quick update on my tomatoes. They are really growing. As you see, if you see the yellow things hanging, just know these are tomatoes coming out, you know. I'm gonna have a bunch of tomatoes here. I have to add the tree. I have to add this thing for holding the tomato. This one is too short, and they're growing really tall and faster. So yeah, this is the update of my tomatoes. And I don't know if I have another one growing because I just saw only this one. Even though I have a lot of yellow parts coming out, I don't think there's any other tomato already outside except this one. But it's a good sign. Yeah, they're doing the right thing. I just watered them. That's why you see water. They're still white. The leaves are still white, and water is on the table. So guys, this is my paprika. Do you see something up there? Yeah, I don't understand. In Germany, just plant something is too short, but ishaanza kuzaa. Hey, this is my paprika already, guys. I can see something coming up there, inside there. So we're still doing good with the paprika also. This is the best part of them all. I have my strawberries growing over here, and I'm so happy. You can't wait for them to be red so that we can eat them. Yeah? Yeah, so guys, that's it. So look at this, guys. Look at it. This is a quick update on my tomatoes. They are really growing. As you see, if you see the yellow things hanging, just know these are tomatoes coming out, you know. I'm gonna have a bunch of tomatoes here. I have to add the tree. I have to add this thing for holding the tomato. This one is too short, and they're growing really tall and faster. So yeah, this is the update of my tomatoes. And I don't know if I have another one growing because I just saw only this one. Even though I have a lot of yellow parts coming out, I don't think there's any other tomato already outside except this one. But it's a good sign. Yeah, they're doing the right thing. I just watered them. That's why you see water. They're still white. The leaves are still white, and water is on the table. So guys, this is my paprika. Do you see something up there? Yeah, I don't understand. In Germany, just plant something is too short, but ishaanza kuzaa. Hey, this is my paprika already, guys. I can see something coming up there, inside there. So we're still doing good with the paprika also. So like I told you, my tomatoes are also growing big. These ones I have to remove them today, and then let the coriander grow well. You see the coriander there? They're doing a good job. So even this one, they took almost like 2 months to grow, but they did a good job. 2 months and they're this tall already. Yeah, it's good. From seed to this one. Hey, where do you talk hapa? Look at this fly. What does he want? He wants to spoil my veggies. Go away, you bee. Imeanza kunusia strawberry zangu sasa zimeanza kunisumbua. Go away. Then here we have like I told you, this is my tomato. I'm going to remove them today. And then yeah, the coriander, they're doing a good job. I just watered them also. They're doing a very awesome job. I hope they're going to grow tall sooner and sooner. As you can see, the coriander is doing really, really great. As you see, soon tunaanza kukatakata tukule. Yeah, they're doing a good job. Yeah, God bless you so that you can grow well. Yeah, all of you, may God bless you people. Yeah, they're doing a good job. Oh guys, see the color red is coming up. It's coming up. Oh, I'm so happy. Wow. So guys, this is a quick update for today. Wow, they're really growing fast and turning the color also very, very fast. As you can see, we have 3 of them which are almost red, and the others are still growing. Oh, this is amazing. Guys, this is another day. We want to cut our strawberry, and Eden is allowed to cut. I was waiting for him to come so that he can cut. Here, the strawberry. What do you want to cut, eh? Yeah, there. Cut. Good job. Take it. I'll show guys in the camera. Yeah.
Strawberry is so grow.
Yeah. And then cut the other one down there. Hold it well. Yeah, cut. Yeah, good. Let's show guys the strawberry.
The big strawberry.
Yeah. And the other, let's see the other one if it's ripe or not. No, this one you have to leave it to no, it's not yet good, okay? It has to get, see here behind, it's not yet red. Okay? You just take the 2 of these ones, yeah? Okay. You like it?
And this one?
We go and taste it. Okay, even though here it was not good enough. So this one is the strawberry, but this is paprika. Paprika is still growing. Cannot eat that one. Okay? We are trying our strawberry for the first time. Okay, try. Amy?
This one I cannot.
You like it?
Yeah.
Do eat the green part. Like it? Guys. We planted it. Lekker.
For the long time.
Very, very lekker. I like it.
Me too.
This one I have to plant it again. So, first time planting something and eating it, harvesting it. Now the second thing that is coming out is the tomatoes and the coriander. Soon we're gonna be eating it also. Guys, see the tomatoes. Never mind how I've tied them up. Tomatoes. They are growing. Hey, kwani aka ni kanini hapa? Kwani kako na pimple? What's that thing? But they are growing.
Mama, I wanna see too. I cannot.
So guys, here's a quick update.
Mama, I forgot this inside.
Now about our tomatoes, they are really growing big
Mama.
and red. We want to remove them. I think we have to remove these ones here. It's good. Let me try and remove it. Yeah, it's good.
Mama.
You see?
Mama.
You have to go and eat it.
Mama.
Not like this.
Mama.
I'm going to put here.
I have something
Just put
to
here.
tell you.
Tell me.
I forgot this in the house.
Really?
Yeah.
Guys, this one is also good. Anna.
And I wanna.
Guys, I'm taking them out because they are good. And this one. Then this one is a big one. I don't know if I should remove it or I leave it a little bit. Mnaonaje? I think I should remove it.
Mama.
I think it's ready.
Mama.
Oh, looks good. And these ones, I'm gonna leave it a little bit. 2 days. There's another one here, another one here. Others are still growing. Yeah. Then we have the egg bear here. We have egg bear here.
Egg bear.
This one we remove all of them. I think now you have to throw the old leaves away.
Another one.
Which one?
Another
That one is
one
old.
here.
This one is old. You have removed everything.
Yeah.
You see? You removed everything.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a paprika. It's kind of growing, but I don't know. And then we have our orange growing here.
Yeah, let me see. I cannot see it.
Then our tomatoes.
And this
Some are still
tomato.
growing.
And this one.
Guys, cook here.
Let me
I didn't
see.
know this tomato is going to grow.
And it's
Don't
not.
remove it.
And it don't have red.
You have to wait for it to mature, and then it will have red. Wow, this is nice.
Yeah, and this one.
Guys, here we go with our tomatoes. Oh, I did not make a picture.